All right, so if you were thinking about creating your own shop for Etsy, I'm not talking about your Etsy shop that's on the Etsy platform. I'm talking about going a step further and building out your own personal branded shop. This is the way to go. This is Everbee Store. And if you look at it, this is just a powerful moment for anyone who is selling on Etsy and really want to have some type of safeguard to ensure that all the work you put in, all the labor you put in for creating your designs, you can now build up your separate individual personal shop with Everbee Store. This is highly important in my opinion, because one of the things I oftentimes talk about is understanding that Etsy is a shared marketplace, right? But one of the things I oftentimes say that if you're selling on Etsy, there's two crucial things you definitely have to do to make sure in the long term you are helping your business and not breaking your business. Number one, get an email list, and number two, find a way to start your own store off the platform. And with Everbee, you can do absolutely that. All right, so this is Everbee Store, and it just takes a few short moments for you to transition all of your products that you have created, either be physical or digital products, and move them over into the Everbee Store. And so if you're already using this for product research, or if you're already using Everbee's email, you just have to access to Everbee Store by simply jumping over into Everbee here, to these bars in the top left hand corner. You can go ahead and click Everbee Store, and from here you can walk along the process of actually how to set up your shop. So this is just extremely easy for those who are already on Everbee for research, but also easy if you're jumping in this for the first time. Simply signing up to Everbee will give you all of the access I'm talking about in today's video. So I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below so you can get started with Everbee Store as well. So essentially how this works, say if you have in a shop and you want to transfer all of your designs, all of your listings over into your own personal branded shop. If you were to do this with Shopify or maybe with Wix, this would definitely take a long time, because you have to literally grab all of your inventory, all of your designs, all of your listings, all of your keywords, all of your images, and move them one by one over into a whole different platform itself. But with Everbee Store, you're able to seamlessly connect your pre-existing products into your personal branded website, and you're able to do this in multiple ways. Number one, you can definitely sell your individual listings like you currently do on Etsy. You can actually create a membership community, and you can utilize this as a branded shop. In today's video, I just shared with you how to transition over your pre-existing listings over into the Everbee Store so you can start building out your personal branded shop. So being that I'm utilizing a shop that's selling more so digital products, I'm just going to follow the steps on the screen where I can add my first listing or just import those over from my shop. I can set up my Stripe payment to make sure that I'm actually getting paid when someone purchases an order. And if there's any missing products, Everbee will re-import those for me if I am missing any. All right, so here's one of my older personal branded shops. And I just had a few of these up here, really with a test shop to be quite honest. But you'll see just how all of my images and all of my titles and even my pricing is just visibly on Etsy as it normally is. But when you head over into the shop that I started with Everbee Store, you can see that this is the default layout they gave me. Again, we can make any manual changes that we need, no concern with that. But when I go down a little bit further, you'll see just literally just within a few click of a button to import all of my listings, I have all of my listings here, again with the same type of image, the same type of price, as well as with the same type of keywords. If I open this up as well, you can see that we have a very nice layout, really resembling a full individual branded website that you can definitely get traffic to and start selling on Etsy, which again I think is extremely important when you are selling on a major marketplace like Etsy. And all of this in regards to the description, in regards to the title and the mockups and the price, all of this was just grafted over into Etsy and placed into my Everbee Store, which again can save you so much time. So if you do want to get started with Everbee Store on your own, I make sure I leave all the details down in my description box below. Again, this is one of the most fastest and easiest ways to get your personal branded shop up and running with all of your Etsy products. Again, all the details will be down in my description box below. Now, one of the things we definitely want to do is still make sure that we are creating high quality products in order to sell online, because at the end of the day, we don't have products that's selling on Etsy. They're definitely not going to sell in our own personal branded shop. And one of the easiest things you can do to actually make sure you know you are selling top products is to search up just your main category like we're doing here. Again, I'm just doing t-shirts for example, but this can be done for anything. We actually want to find top shops that have sold extremely well in the last 2 years, selling our same particular products we want to sell. And so from here, we want to head over to the left hand side, going to head over to products analytics, and we want to head over to the far right hand side here, because one thing I'm specifically looking for is the shop age and total amount of sales. If I'm able to find a shop that's been around for, let's just say, less than 2 years and made over 10,000 sales or even over 20,000 sales, and they're selling my specific product, I know there's something about this entire shop, the listings that they're targeting, the mock-ups that they're using, just the shop as a whole, there's something that they're doing well that I can learn from, definitely with their shop being so early in age. So from here, I can filter with shop age, same thing with total shop sales. But the goal here is that I want to stick to my criteria of finding nothing over than 2 years, and definitely want to make sure they're making at least 10,000 sales in a short amount of time. And we can see that we have multiple products right here that's already being that criteria. This shop right here has been around for 13 months and has sold over 10,000 products. Again, this shop has been around for 17 months, sold over 18,000 products. So that means that new shops are still making sales in the t-shirt space. Again, we can do this for digital products, we can do this for print-on-demand products, but the goal here is to find shops that are selling what we're selling, find shops that started within the last 2 years, and really determine their sales number. Because once we do that, we can open up this individual shop and actually analyze every single listing to determine which listings have made sales for them. And that can be our master list in which we create our products for that specific niche that we can start creating and designing for. So this would be a shop I would definitely target. And if I open up this shop on Etsy, you can see that again, they've only been around for just over a year here. They have sold 18,000 products and they only have 700 or so products made. Definitely will be one I will analyze their listings, see what niches they are creating for, and start designing in those niches as well. And the cool thing about Everbee is that I can actually go into the filter section. I can actually set the criteria so that I can only see the shops that meet my criteria with shop age and total sales. So if I know that I don't want nothing lower than 10,000 sales as a minimum, I can put this here. And if I know that the shop age, I don't want to go higher than just 2 years, I'll go ahead and put 24 months here. And now everything is filtered for me to only see top shops within my space here. Again, this can be done for anything. This is a quick way for you to start building up your listings, to start finding niches to create for. Because again, if these shops are able to make multiple sales, thousands of sales within just 2 years, then we know that whatever we create and within that space, we can make sales as well. And the amazing part about this is that we can target multiple shops and look at all of their listings and only focus on their top listings that made them sales. Now we're able to have a massive list we can start building and creating our products, and not only help us get our shops more sales, but these same products is what we're going to sell in our own Everbee store so that we can start gaining sales off the marketplace of Etsy. But we already know these products are in demand based upon these shops are really selling these type of items. So again, this is a huge gold mine in my opinion. This is going to help you target the specific products you should focus on. So from here, being that we already have our filter set in place, I can set total sales to be extremely high here, which the total sales is 53,000, but we can see this has been around just hitting 2 years. This has made 53,000 sales in 24 months, 49,000 sales in 21 months. We can see this shop made 34,000 sales in 24 months. We see these shops only been around for just 17, 19 months, made thousands of sales. And these are the type of shops I would definitely focus on. If we want to target 3 years here, still want our minimum number to show is 10,000. Again, that's definitely going to give us more shops to target and help us identify even more products we can focus on and create. Again, if we just focus on the top listings of each of these shops, we can definitely start gaining sales as well. Like this shop here, been around for 2 years, made 32,000 sales, and they only have 672 products. Again, we will look at their products that made them sales, definitely learn from the niche and start creating products in this space as well, putting more value, trend merging from other shops to bring something new. But this is the process I would do to definitely focus on products that can help me build up my Etsy store, so I know I'm making high quality products based upon top selling listings. So if you do want to get started with Everbee store, I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below for you to learn more about this and start building up your personal branded shop. And check out this next video here where I share with you how to remix or redesign any best-selling product with AI to help you sell better on Etsy. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.